Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload any image or marketing image with a product and a persona. From the dashboard, click on Marketing Studio here. And here you have the content type. By default, it's chosen YouTube thumbnail size 16 by 9 landscape. And you have the other option, podcast cover 1 by 1 square. We will leave it for the YouTube thumbnail 16 by 9 landscape. And now let's choose the product. So from here, let's upload the product image. I choose this image for this example. After that, let's choose persona. And as you know, you can create as much persona as you want for free. For this example, we choose Taylor Swift. Now we just need to write the prompt. And this will take around 30-40 seconds and we will see the result. Here you can see the image, and if you want to see more options, you can just click on Regenerate Product Marketing and you will receive a new image. Let's try it now. And here we have the second option, and you can regenerate as much images you want. Now we have more features to look at. Let's start with AI Edit here. However, before that, we always recommend to download the image. So let's go ahead and download it. Now the image is downloaded and we can just go and have a look at it before we continue with AI Edit. So here you can see Taylor Swift, you can see the robot, and they are both cooking, and we have the countertop, dark galaxy marble, steel appliances, and white countertop. And this is the second regenerate image. Now great, we have downloaded, so we can go ahead and click on AI Edit. And here you can change anything in the image with just text. So let's go and try do some changes. And of course you can do as much changes you want. Now let's click on Apply AI Edit and see. This will also take around 30-40 seconds and we will see the new result. Great. So here you can see that we have changed now to yellow, marble, countertop, and the cabinet it's blue. Now of course, with as much detail as possible, you can do any changes in the image. Now we have saved the image, and let's go and add text. Here you can add the text, so we can write a robot. Now of course you can choose the text color. Let's choose red, and here let's choose blue just to make it obvious, and we can add text. Now we added the text. You can move the text anywhere you want, and of course you can resize the text. Once you are happy, you just scroll down and you click on Save Image. If you want to remove it, you can just click here and restart all over again. Now we save image, and here the image has been saved, and now we can click on color adjustment. Here you can do the color adjustment as you like, and if you're not happy, click on Reset here. Once you are happy, you have done your changes, you can click on Save Adjust Version. Now we have the new adjusted version. We can go ahead and click on Download Image. Here you have the option to choose, and I go ahead with PNG. Now download original size PNG. Great, image has been downloaded and saved, and that's everything about product and persona. Thank you.